Hi kids! Welcome to Fishy Wishy World Channel, where every splash brings a new surprise video. Let's go!
Once there was a little fish named Can-Do. He was happily swimming in the water, playing with his tiny fins. One day, he saw a big shiny bubble floating nearby. Curious, Can-Do went close and touched it. Pop! The bubble burst suddenly. Can-Do was shocked, but then he laughed. Oh, it was just a soap bubble, he giggled. Soon, all his little fish friends came to play with more bubbles. They all laughed, splashed, and had so much fun. Can-Do learned a small lesson that day. When you see something new, don't be scared, try it, and have fun.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.